I remember this one day, all this hair just like kept coming out in clumps.
Tell us your name.
Hanley Vernon. I'm 14 years old. When I was 6, she noticed a bald spot when she was like brushing my hair, and she was like, "Oh, I don't know what that is, it's okay."
Every day she's losing more and more hair, and I was looking at my husband going, what am I gonna do? I'm a hairstylist, but this is the one thing I can't fix.
I remember this one day I was jumping on the trampoline with like some friends, and like all this hair just like kept coming out in clumps. And so my mom was like, "I guess we should just shave it." We just shaved it all off. Met with the doctor, they were like, "Oh, you have alopecia areata."
Took her to a dermatologist. That's what they diagnosed her with. And he said 9 times out of 10, it's just a spot or two and it grows back and it's not a big deal. Well, 5 weeks later, she was bald.
It's been a little harder in junior high since you're like the odd one out.
She was really confident with her bald head through grade school and everything. And then in junior high, it's just a different story. I'm like, Cam, tell them your story. And she's like, Mom, they don't care. They still make fun of you.
I used to like clip extensions to my hats and stuff and just wear a hat every day to school. And so I looked at the wigs that you showed me and I was like, this one is so pretty. I want to try this one on. I want to take it home.
That was huge to be able to see her light up, and just like, oh my gosh, I can have braids like my friends.
We cut it and we styled it to me. And now this is what it looks like and it's so pretty.
Now forward. Oh, look how cute these girls are.
It feels different, but it makes you feel at home. It's just an overall new experience and it's really fun. Usually we haven't had hair for like most of our lives. What you really need to understand is wig or not wig, you're beautiful. Bald is beautiful.
It's amazing. I know that there's people as amazing as you guys out there that are trying to make a difference. Thank you.